opinion and independent thought is often one of the first things to be beaten out.
You're just gonna make an illegal U-turn right there.
Turn left on Highway 625.
You can't pass in a right turn lane, you idiot. Really? You know, you weren't even... I'm pretty sure you're not even allowed to park there to begin with. And I think this is the reason. Mega yikes, that's not fun. Oh, of course, you can't plan ahead. Wow, that guy behind me is an idiot. I would have waited if I were you.
To voice to fashion, but most of all, opinion.
What?
Opinion and independent thought is often one of the first things to be beaten out of these people, but not DMAC.
Energy drinks, buy one, get one free. Stop by Circle
Circle K for incredible big weekend offers. Circle K, take it easy.
I don't think that's
From
legal.
learning their ABCs to memorizing all 118 elements in the periodic table, your budget at Walmart, where you can save $1.70 on 500 sheets of pen and gear copy paper. Now only $3.77. Walmart. Save money, live better.
This is CFBR-FM.
Edmonton's best rock writer point through the bear. Tom Morello for Raging Against the Machine. You got Be Real from Cypress Hill.
Yeah.
You got Public Enemy in there. It's like I like Supergroup. Yeah, your spine.
Yeah.
You gotta really use your back.
Don't move your hips at all. They lock there and you just twist over there.
Your shoulders.
Yep.
He was wearing a helmet though, so that's okay.
The head was good.
So,
Collision warnings. When replacing your windshield, these systems need to be
That
recalibrated by a
person's
team of
going at least
specialists.
90 in the
Chris
left
Wallace
lane.
is highly trained in all ADAS programs to ensure...
Doing things again, so they're about. I don't know, I should just like it takes 1 hour for it to get posted. Yeah, so people should be listening to the previous guest anyway. So I'm not even call this anyway. Oh, the similar like us. Back to school, fast approaching, maybe you're in back to school. I'm curious, what were you most excited for? Maybe it was to pick your locker. I always like beelines for my locker. Try and be by my best friend. You gotta pick lockers? Yeah. Oh, we're starting to try. Now trying to make you You just wear your locker. If you want to change it, request it.
The employee talks about their F-150. Meet Arisha.
Our F-150 is for
That's not a
adventure.
parking
It's for
spot.
travel, it's for towing our boat.
Wow, you're not the smartest.
Points me the bear from anywhere on the new enhanced iHeartRadio app. Available on Android and iOS.
Wow, are you serious? You don't have a stop sign. You don't have a stop sign either. Yeah, let's just stand in the middle of the aisle.
Uh, 17 degrees currently. Low tonight is 5. 19 mainly sunny for tomorrow. 18 and cloudy for both Friday and Saturday. From